I'm going to show you how easy it is to use your dehydrator to make a delicious snack. Today I'm making watermelon chips. We happened to buy a watermelon and it didn't really live up to its flavor potential. So whenever I have any fruit like that, I don't waste my time on eating it as is. I slice it up and put it in the dehydrator. I've done this with bananas, grapes, pineapple, on and on. So if you've got some fruit that you want to get rid of, but you don't want to throw it away, put it in your dehydrator. Let's get started. First, prep your dehydrator racks, then start laying out your cut fruit. Set your racks on top of your dehydrator, and then set your temperature. I usually just set mine to the highest temperature available, which is 160 degrees. That way it gets done quicker and I'm eating sooner. But go ahead and adjust to your preference. Now let the magic happen. It can take anywhere from 2 hours to even half of a day. Depends on your dehydrator and the temperature that you use. Halfway through, I usually flip the fruit over and sometimes I'll rearrange my racks. Obviously the ones on the bottom get a little hotter, so I just try to get an even consistency throughout each rack. But that's all there is to it. It is very simple to make use of this fruit that maybe isn't perfect to eat as is, but as a snack dehydrated, it is so delicious. I hope you give this a try. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.